guys. Okay, let's start day 2, second lesson. Listen first, okay? Don't even talk.
Practice with the review track. Introducing yourself in Filipino. Po.
Pot?
Word indicating politeness.
Po.
Oh, po.
Masaya. Happy.
Masaya.
Din. Din.
Rin, din.
Lindin, lindin.
Rin.
Two. Also.
Also, rin or din.
Oh,
Ako.
rain.
Ako.
Ako.
Me.
I knew it.
Ako means me.
Me, I knew
Si.
that.
Si.
Am. Is.
Am, is.
Anus?
Am or is.
Oh.
To meet. Makilala.
To meet. Makilala. Makilala.
I, me, my, mine.
What?
Call.
Coal.
Ko.
Coal.
It's I.
To be glad. Ikinagagalak.
I can't say that.
Meet.
We're studying.
Makilala.
Makilala. Makilala.
Word indicating politeness.
Po.
Po. Po.
Okay, this looks like a little bit of a hard lesson, okay? But anyway, that's why we're studying. But on the side note, I think that's where we got your name, Micaela, Makilala. Huh? Okay, let's listen to the conversation.
Okay.
Kamusta? Ako po si Ana. Kamusta? Ako po si Maya. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Ako rin. Masaya akong makilala ka.
Don't understand what they're saying.
Okay, I will translate it for you.